This is the second video on handling data 2, and you can see the page number 229. We are going to discuss here few questions from the exercise 1 star. And before that, I want to remind you, please, if you have not watched the first video on the handling data 2, please go and first see that video, because in that video I have explained the discrete data. There is discrete data, that's X, and there next is the tally marks, and next is frequency. Next we are finding F into X, and then we are finding the sigma or summation of F, that's how total number of frequencies, then sigma fx. Then we can easily find the mean, the median, and the mode. I have explained it there in the first video, and in the next video you can see the question number 1 from exercise 1 star. Here we will be dealing with continuous data. Continuous data. What is the continuous data? You know, which does not have a specific value. There is the class. Every time we will be having the class, that means the value of that thing, the value of that quantity will be in that class. Like if I have the class like 1 is less or equal to x is less than 5, it means this class contains all the values. There is the upper limit and the lower limit. This is 5 is the upper limit, and this is the lower limit. You can see this value x means x can be equal to 1 and x is greater than, but x cannot be equal to 5, less than 5. Second class we will have like this: 5 is less or equal to x is less than 10. What does it mean? This means x can have values 1, greater than 1, but less than 5. And here, what does it mean? X can have value 5, greater than 5, but less than 10. So in this class, all values in this range follows in this class, and also all values follows in this class which come between the range of 5 and 10, including 5. See here, if we have here 1 is less or equal to x is less or equal to 5, it means this class will contain all the values starting from 1 to 5. But here it is only less than 5. It means till 5, but 5 is not included here. Here till 10, but 10 is not equal to here, included here. Here 1 is included and 5 is included, including 1 and 5, all the values which are coming in this range. This is simply the continuous class. This is simply the class. Here you can see the question number 1, exercise 1 star. The time t seconds to swim a 50-meter butterfly stroke for 20 pupils are shown below. So here it is the record of 20 pupils, 20 students. They are swimming. They need to travel 50-meter butterfly stroke. So there's a butterfly stroke, that means they need to, it's a kind of swimming, they have to swim for 50 meters, and they are taking different times. First one is taking 45.7 seconds, and second one accordingly 38.9. What we have to do, understand the question. First part is construct a tally chart using classes of this 30 less or equal to t less than 35, and 35, there's a width of the class is 5, I think, yes, 30 to 35, then 35 to 40, and similarly till 55 to 60. We have to make a class here, a tally chart using the class. Then use this table to calculate an estimate of the mean butterfly. Then we are calculating, we have to calculate the mean. Then find the median class and the model class times. You can see, you can understand what we will do. The first question of the exercise 1 star, first part, we have to draw the table. First we have to make the class, and it is given in the question what is the range of the classes, which will be upper limit, and what is the width of the class. It is actually the continuous class. You can see, I will write here time. Time is in seconds. Since it is tally chart also, so I will write here tally. Then I will write frequency. Then one more I have to write here, that is midpoint. Then here this is time, here there will be classes, this is tally, this is F, here we have X, this is X, then here it will be F into X. You can see how I am drawing the table, how I am writing the values. Please understand, everyone will understand. It is given in the question, what is the width of the, what should be the width of the class. The first is 30 is less or equal to T is less than 35. So we need to check the times given in the data which lies between 30 to 35, and if it is 30 it can be counted in this class. If it is 35 it cannot be counted in this class, because the width of next class is 35 is less or equal to T is less than 40. What does that mean? 30 comes in this class but 35 does not comes in class. So 32 less than 35, all values will come in this class, and 35 will come in this class. So 35 to 40, but 40 will not come in this class including 35. One more class is 40 is less or equal to T is less than 45. So 40 comes in this class but 45 does not come. One more we have 45 is less or equal to T is less than 50, and one more we have 50 is less or equal to T is less than 55, and one more class we have 55 is less or equal to T is less than 60. So how many classes? 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the width of class. It was given in the question. Now what I will write here in this column? Tally. That means I have to count, I have to see the data. The values between these, I will count how many values are there which falls in this range, which falls in this class. If you will see, there are 3, so I will write 3 tally marks. And if you will see the question, once again you will see that you will get it, frequency is 3. That means number of data existing in this class, total number of how many datas are existing, how many values are existing in this class, that is 3. So this is the frequency. Now to find the midpoint, what is the midpoint? Midpoint of upper and lower limit, that is 30 plus 35 divided by 2, that is 65 divided by 2, that is 2 3s are 32.5 is here the answer. Now F into X, that is 3 into 35, 3 into 32.5. What is that value? If I will calculate that value, it will be 97.5. And next see, similarly for every class we have to do this. For every class, now see this range, you will have 4. What is the frequency here? How many values exists in this class? 4 values. So what is here the midpoint of this? 35 plus 40 divided by 2. What is that? It will be, if I will write like this, 35 plus 40 divided by 2. If you will find this value, it is, I can write directly 37.5. Then multiplying F and X, that is 4 into 37.5. What is that? The value will be 150. And in the next class you will count how many values lie in that class. You can see once again 4, 1 2 3 4. So here I will write the 4 because the values, how many values lie in this class, I have to write in frequency. Here I am writing the tally marks. Here I will find the midpoint. The midpoint, once you will find like this, that will be 42.5. And then the product of 4 into 42.5, that is 170. That is 4 into 42.5, it's 170. And in the next class, if you will check, there are 5. In tally marks we have 1 2 3 4 5. Here I should write the 5, and here I will get 47.5, and here the f product of f and s, what is that? That I will get 237.5. Here you will see in this class there is no value. If you will check, so it is 0 here, here also it is 0, and here it is it will be 52.5, but here we will get the 0 because f into x is 0. Now the last one class, if you will check there are 4 values that lie in this class. So 4 is here the frequency, and here you will get 57.5 once doing this midpoint. 55 plus 60 divided by 2. Then 4 into, that's f into x. What is the value of f into x? You will get that is 230. So this is the table. This is tally, this is frequency, this is midpoint, this is f into x. Now you can draw like this. Now here we need to find sigma f, the total of this. What is the total of this? Sigma f. How many children are there? It's 20. That's how many pupils are there? 20. Now we need to sigma fx, that is the sum of all values. If you will see, it will be 885. Now to find the mean, the the estimated mean will be sigma fx divided by sigma f, that is 885 divided by 20. The value will be 44.25, but it is seconds, SEC. Now median class. How to find the median class? You can see what is the total number of frequencies. That's 20. 20 divided by 2, that is 20 divided by 2, that is 10. So since this is the even number, so 10th and 11th value, we should check where the 10th and 11th value falls. That is only the median class. If you will see, 3 plus 4 is 7, and this is 11. So 10th and 11th value falls in this class. So median class will be 40 is less or equal to t is less than 45. Now next D, that is model class. You will check the model class, means the maximum number of, where is the maximum frequency, that is 5. So I can check, this is the model class here, because most of the values will lie in this class. So it's 45 less or equal to t is less than 50. This is the model class. You can check once again, this is the median class and this is model class. This was the question number 1. You have to understand for every, if you will get this type of questions, it's very easy. Sometimes there will be the group dot also. It will be given and you need to find the midpoint, frequency, f into x. It's very easy, only the thing is you should understand it. Now you can see the question number 2 from the same exercise. If you will check the question number 2, it is table shows the weight Wkg of the giant grouper fish caught by a Hong Kong fishing boat. You can see this is the weight of the fish. Okay, here tally marks are Q. So what we need, copy and complete the table and use it to calculate estimate of the mean giant. If we have to find the mean, we have to find the median class, we have to find the model class. You can see this all data is given. See, tally is also how many values lies in this range. That's 4. Frequency is the 4. This is 5, 5 and 1. This is 11. 5 and 10 plus 1. So 10 values lie between this, in this range, in this class. Here 5 plus 1, 6 values lie. Here 3 values lie. You can see here, if I want to say you what is the median class, what is the median class and what is the first, what is the median class, what is the model class. Model class is this. It's very easy to find because highest number of frequency is there. The total, the highest number of frequency is there, highest number of tile is there. So this is the model class. The answer of the one question is there. This is model class. Okay, now you can see, if I want to find the median, how to find the median? If you will see, 4 plus 10, it is 21. 4 plus it's 15, 21, it's 24. So sigma f is how much? 24. 24 means 24 divided by 2, that is 12. You can see 12th and 13th term where lies, that is only the median. You can see 4 plus 11, this is, so 12th term lies in this class, and 13th term also lies in this class. So this is also model class, is also this median class and model class same. Now we have to find the mean. In order to find the mean, we have to find first the midpoint of these two. That's 100 plus 150 divided by 2. What is that? It is 250 divided by 2. That is 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4, 2 5s are 125. Now you can see here we need to find the midpoint. It is 350 divided by 2. You will find here the midpoints. Here you will find the midpoints, here you will find the midpoint. Okay, and afterwards f into x you have to do. That's 4 into 125. 4 5 20, 2 4s are 8, and 0, 1 4s are 1, it's 500. So similarly you will find here one value, other value, other value. Finally you will find sigma fx, that is the sum of all values, and mean is simply what? That is sigma fx divided by sigma f. Here you will find the value. So how much easy it is. Only you need to understand, when there is a continuous class, there you have to find the frequency, you have to find the midpoint. Is this the upper limit and the lower limit divided by 2? Mean of these two values, that is the midpoint. Then f into x, this point is here the x. If it is discrete data, then we don't need to find the midpoint, because there is only the data. And here mean is what? Mean is this. Median is what? You need to see how many terms are there, what is the total of frequency, and divide that and find the middlemost two terms. It is even. Then and model class is also this model class, mean class, median class, model class, and also you will find the mean of this question. Now look at the question number 3 from the same exercise. You can see there is a table, frequency table shows the time per week spent by 100 teenagers. So how many are there? What is the total number of data? Total number of data, total number of values, that's 100. So I can say the total frequency will be 100. That's sigma f is equal to 100. This is frequency f. So total is how much? That's 100. I need this place is missing. How to find this? It's very easy. I have the value of frequency 100. Let it be x. So what I will write, x plus sum of all these, that is 82, is equal to 100. X is equal to 100 minus 82. X is equal to 80. Or simply that 100 minus 82, because the total of all these values is 82 and this is missing. So 100 minus 82, it is 18. So 18 is the answer of this missing frequencies. So we can write here 18. Now how to find the median class from this? We know there is a formula. If there is we want to find the median class, there is a formula, that is n plus 1 divided by 2. This value we need to check where this value lies. N plus 1 divided by 2th value, where n is the frequency. What is frequency here? 100. So 100 plus 1 is 1, not 1 divided by 2. It is 50.5 the value. We need to check where this value lies, in which class. You can see 14 plus 18 is how much? For 8, it is 2, it's 32. 32 plus 37, 37. It is 969. So this 50.5th value lies in this class. So this is the median class. This is median class. And this is also the model class, because the highest number of frequencies. Similarly, for every question you can do this. What is the total number of frequency plus 1 divided by 2? If you will check there, it will be that value. If it is odd number, then it's very easy. If it is odd number, then it's very easy. If it is not, if it is even number, then you have to do this. And also you can also use always n plus 1 divided by 2, where this value lies, in which class this value lies, that class will be only the median class. Now you can see we have to find the median class and the model class revision time, and also we have to find the mean. How we will do this? This is very easy. Here we will find the midpoints, that's x. Then we will find f into x, model class and mean class. Median class is here. Here we will find the midpoint. Midpoint is 2 divided by 2. 0 plus 2 divided by 2, that's 1. Here it is 3. Here it will be 5. It will be 1, 3, 5, 7, like that, 9. And here it will be f into x. You have to, that's 14. 3 into 18 is a 24. 8 1 is a 4. That's 3 1 is 3, and that's 54. Like that, you will find here sigma fx. Then mean will be equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. This is only the question here. It's very easy to do this. Now you can see the question number 4. We have in question number 4 there is also the frequency. There is 3t plus t. You can see there are 30. The value of n is 30. Question number 4. That's also very easy. Please see the question in your textbook. Question number 4. We have 3t in frequency column. We have 3t and t. So what we need to find? First we need to find the value of t. How to find the value of t? Here value of n, total number of frequencies should be 30. Okay, that means n is equal to 30. So I can write directly 1 plus 9 plus 12, 1 plus 9 plus it's 12 plus 3t plus t is equal to 30. I can write this. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 12 is, that's 22. 22 plus 3t plus 1t is 40 is equal to 30. 40 is equal to, on transposition, it will become 30 minus 22. So 40 is equal to 30 minus 20 is 8. So t is equal to 8 divided by 2. So t is equal to 4. So the value of 3t is 4. Therefore 3t is at place of 3t, it is 3 into 4, that is 12. And in place of t, that is 4. Now you found the frequency. Now it's very easy to find the midpoints, to find fx, then to find the mean, median class. You can see how many are total. 30, which is the median class. That is 30 and plus 1 divided by 2. That is 31 divided by 2. That is 50 plus 5, fifth term. You can check in which class this lies. That is 1 plus 9. It is third. 1.4. 1.4 is less than, h is less than 1.6. It's less or equal to. This is the median class. Here you can check one more thing. You can check here it is 12, and also 1.6 is less or equal to, h is less than 1.8.